Oh, hello guys. Page report. I will tell you about page report. Weather is cloudy, little mist atmosphere and आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे लिटिल बिट जो है यहाँ पे ग्रीस वगैरह लगाई जा रही है और looks a very dry pitch and if toss every team win they will go to batting fast because this is a flat track and very good batting pitch. You will see these two stumps very good and check this grease. Wow, beautiful and a little bit grass on this pitch and very good pitch, cloudy atmosphere and if a team batting fast ball comes to the bat and a very flat track and if every team won the toss they will go to bat fast because this is a batting pitch surface and I recommend every team which will win the toss they will go to bat fast and this is a very good pitch for batting and look at this pitch, very beautiful pitch. This is the pitch we are talking about, very flat track batting pitch and I will recommend you this is a very interesting match. So look at this pitch, very smooth, very shine and little bit grass on it and this is the pitch every batsman would love. Wow, so this is the pitch report from the cricket ground and little bit cloudy atmosphere. I hope there is no rain huddled between the two teams match and will go a very interesting match. See you later and this is the pitch report. Okay, take care, Allah.